There's a plane there. Hi, Leo. Hi, Leo. We're on the boat. We're having a cube meet on the ship. The boat is leaving. That's Cebu. That's Negros. Sleep if you want podium skew.
Bye guys. Hey, got another room. See what us, huh? Same just identical na dyan. Gag, stickering.
You have a girlfriend, right?
Yeah, why?
Does she hold it while you pee?
Huh? What?
Your thing.
What? What are you saying, bro? This one? Yeah.
No. Kirby.
Yeah.
Christian's your older brother, right?
Yeah, why?
You call him Chan, right? You call him Oni-chan.
Venue for Negros. Oh no, I'm in the vlog! Finally!
You're going to be thumbnail again.
Cebuano Speedcuber, why are you invading Negros?
Respect my decision. Pyramix is about to start. Wasn't able to film much before Pira, so my bad. Pira is done, but I didn't do well, but I didn't want to do well, and the Maglev Pira is bad. I'm with Sun Moon Montula here, and he's going to play Sun and Moon. Do it.
I'm still finding.
Yes! 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 Flowers bloom. Girl, you make the stars collide. This is automatically the best comp because of the song. Let's go. 2x2 is about to start. What group are you in 2x2? Alright, wait, you're done. Yeah.
May I request
2x2.
all judges?
236 average in 2x2. That is 9th in the Philippines. It's not sub 2, but I'm satisfied that I'm finally entered 10 in 2x2 average. So that went well. This is Josh Parpa. Apparently, he's a fan of me, but he doesn't know I have a YouTube channel. And
That's not my bad.
this is Mars. He was in the last vlog, and our freaking WCA delegate is answering midterms in a freaking comp.
It's only PE, bro.
Still.
It's not only PE, it's PE.
Square one's about to start. Not really expecting much, but podium's alright. I don't care if I get PR or not. I turned it. square one was a mess. I got a miss scramble, and then on one of the solves I turned during inspection, and it's still being checked what would be the ruling. So I was given a provisional extra, so we'll just see how square one turns out. So the ruling was DNF, and I got accounting 22 in square, but I'm still second. I don't really care, but podium's a podium, so that went well. Scube is starting, and as recent Scube champion, I should podium.
8.
Got a 2.51 single in Scube, so that's a PR single, and that makes me top 1 in the Philippines for sum of rank single. Let's go! Coming next event, I want PR average. I got a 53 average in Mega Minx. It puts me NR10 in the Philippines at the moment, so we'll see if other competitors beat the 53. My last solve was a bit of a waste, but I can't do much about that now, but NR10 is good for me, so let's go. DWP round 1 is next, so I'm looking forward to that. I want to get a sub 8 average, so that NR10.
Oh, typical like lingaw lang to.
Oh? The black worm disappointed, but they still have 2 rounds tomorrow, so we'll see how that goes. This is Kirby J. Caragan. He was in the last vlog as well. Yeah. He just got his first ever official sub 10 average. He's been trying to get one since 5 competitions ago. What year?
2019, like very before pandemic.
Okay, so what advice did I give you?
Flow state, guys. Flow state is real.
Yes. Do flow state in yourself.
Flow state flies.
He beat me in the first round.
Yeah.
I can't accept that. This competition is sponsored by a telecommunication service provider, but stop. They're sponsoring the comp, not me, damn it. Thanks. This event is 5x5. I'm hoping like something NR10, 10th in the Philippines. That would be really good for me, so I'm hoping that happens. I popped twice and I missed a sub 1 average, but like it's still 6th in the Philippines, but damn it. I'm like mixed. I mean, no, mostly sad, but at least I'm champ, but frick. I was too sad to say anything about my goals before 4x4, but sheesh, I got a 25 single, which is apparently 3rd in the Philippines, so that's really good. So I guess my sadness is gone from 5x5, so yay. OH is up next. I just want to reach finals and podium, so Aperm OH was meh, and by the way, Leo got 8-0 something and our single OH. Someone asked me to sign their cube. What? I'm not even that famous. Sige, look here.
Patatlo ka na lang ako. Sign the map.
No.
Charot.
Yeah. What's the word? Say the word.
Incest. Enthusiast.
What? Enthusiast of what?
incest enthusiast. Oh no, I'm gonna get cancelled.
Day 2. But I'm trying my Shangshao clock.
Na-start na?
That's your name?
Yeah, yes. No, only the pins are magnetized. The dials are not. There is one imposter among us. Clock is the first event of today, and people are so curious to try a Shangshao clock because everything else here are Lingao and Chi clock. Love a judge, and my clock's just waiting there, judging me for clock. Like, look at that.
Bruh. Sorry. Dude.
DNF average in clock, but
Nice.
at least I got a good single.
I'm so
This comp is full of great singles, but then choke averages. Oh my gosh. I could have actually podium clock if I didn't DNF but 3. Well, Rubik is next. Let's see what will happen. Bro. 3x3 was bad. I got a 9.66 average. I really couldn't get anything going. Like, I thought I got an X cross, but then when I do the solution, the X cross breaks. So, yeah, I just choked. Oh, keep playing. So Leo got a 6.08 average, rounded up. That's basically 6.1. So that's actually equal to the Philippines inflation rate. So
I agree with this.
he really is the Philippine cuber.
I am the Philippines.
EVERRRRRRR blindfolded is coming up. I just want to maybe I get here, so maybe I can get a good win as well. We'll just see what happens.
Big chance Christian. Yan na siya first result.
All good, man. We lost in Negros.
Yeah.
Triple DNF blind.
Yay!
Me too.
Shut up. You
No,
have
nakasolve si
success.
Bea.
You have success. Oh, and then there's another success. Damn it. Second in blind, got 119 for the food, and 119 was the winning solve. It's the universe telling him he sucks. Way to finals is next. Let's see what happens. First, second, third, podium is all I care about. Good.
Nice.
Let's go!
Yes, Sabian!
Yes! How did
You don't even know CLL.
I mean, I learned CLL, but I used Ortega.
Congrats.
Thank you.
This Sabian, the person in the thumbnail last video, he finally got his first ever podium. He's been trying to get one for a number of comps now, and what's even better is that his main event isn't even 2x2.
Dude, I don't even do 2x2.
Congrats.
Thank you.
By the way, I won 2x2, so it's good. Right where it's up next. Let's see if I can redeem myself from my choke yesterday. The average was a choke. I'm fine with a single. I choked 4x4. 32 average. It's still podium, but can't do anything about it now. This is Daniel Mohammadi. He choked clock, but at least he's not last place.
Five.
Shout out. His family dropped us off nearer to the pension house where we are staying. Because remember, we're from Cebu, a totally different island. So shout out to Daniel Mohammadi. You have YouTube channel?
No. Facebook.
Follow him on Facebook. This is Bea Flores. She's like the lead organizer of this Negros comp. So, and because this comp was able to happen, I was able to get good singles. So basically, she's the reason why I got good results. Thank you. You have YouTube channel. Wait, you have a YouTube channel? I've seen it. Okay, link in the description. This event is Cube. Maybe it will be a repeat of this champs where I was first in the first round, then I got fifth in the final round. So let's see how finals will go. What? Dead. God damn it. Revenge last cube, last comp.
The champ is back.
Oi! Sleep if you want podiums cube. Miguel beat me by how much? 0.5. God damn it.
Deserved.
I plus 2 out of Cube podium. I got beat by 0.05. Oh my god.
Robin second. Oh.
H is next. One Earth knows what's going to happen. One Earth knows what's going to happen now. Oh my god. Yes. My god. Yes. OH went kinda well. I got a PR single, which is finally good because compared to my PR average and my current PR single, 1303 to 1204, that's like a really bad ratio. So I got PR single and I podiumed OH with a 15 average. So, hey, finals is next. Let's see what's going to happen. God damn it, look at extra one. Got sub for average Pira finals, but this man, he got NR2 in Pira average.
Oh, so close.
So he won. Congrats to him. I got third. Also, the person who's second in Pira, he also got NR10 average in Pira. Somewhere top 10. Yeah, Miguel.
Nice.
So like, top 3 is all sub 4. 3.39.
Best single 2.32.
Miguel, this person, he got a 3.39 average. That's like NR 6.
Hi.
I don't know. Top 10 Philippines. So
Nice.
the whole podium is sub 4.
Let's go.
Way 3 finals is next. As you can see, all the finalists are behind the stage. So
Whoever gets sub 8 will get 50 pesos.
what?
Yes.
What did you say?
Whoever gets sub 8 that isn't me will get 50 pesos.
You will give them?
Yes.
Oh.
Seconds on. So 7.91 seconds on.
3 finals is done. I got a 7.77 average, 7 NR7, 7th in the Philippines, and Leo got 5.91 NR average, and he did say he'll give 50 pesos to someone who got sub 8 average besides him. So, come on, 50 pesos. Legit? 50 pesos. 50 pesos, yes. Thank you, Leo. Also, all the three of us podium 3x3, and we're all Cebuanos.
Yeah, we're rating Negros.
Yes. Shout out to Christian Hill Caragan. He's the one who let me borrow this 3x3 and made me second in 3x3 and NR7. Thank you.
Welcome.
Boardings is just done. I got 8 over 11 podiums, and then Christian has 2 podiums and Kirby has 3 podiums. That 7.77 average in finals was so lit. I think it's like my one of I think it's one of my I think it's one of my best performances in comp ever. This comp might be my second favorite comp ever. And I think that's it for the competition day. But stay tuned because I will still be vlogging the trip back to Cebu. So these 4 people, I gave away cubes to them for free. So yay! Woo!
I win today!
Shout out to John Gabriel Oy. He gave me, Christian and Kirby free ride to the venue in the 2-day stay. So like, yes, shout out. And he also podium free blind 3rd place. So congrats to you. see you again next comp. Hello. Oh, subscribe to J Polo. Peace. This is where the registration fee goes, huh? Exposed. We're going now. Goodbye. Thanks for the food. Thanks for the food.
I hope this.
Thanks for the food.
Bye-bye.
No, you're coming. Police are gonna arrest me for stealing the podiums.
Pro vloggers.
It's my freedom of speech. We're at the bus terminal. We're going back to Cebu.